class. Today we'll talk about how can you enable diamonds and rewards notifications on your market coins app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on on settings, click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on push notifications here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down, you keep going down here, you come here to diamonds and rewards. So then you just click here in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean here diamonds and rewards notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking